Today we're diving into the Mac ecosystem, but we're doing it in a smart, budget-friendly way. I've been watching prices and I refuse to pay retail. After some deep browsing on eBay, I found this, an M1 MacBook Air with 16GB of RAM for a ridiculous £283. So here we go, the mystery bound box has arrived the following day. Inside, it's packaged securely, which I appreciate, even without the fragile stickers. Here's the welcome leaflet from the seller, which is a nice touch. Clearly lays out the warranty, return info, and importantly the default setup password. The one big omission: no official charger. But as long as you have a capable USB-C power delivery charger, you should be fine. Okay, pulling it out, this is the M1 MacBook Air from November 2020. This is one of the first Macs to debut Apple's new groundbreaking silicon chip, the M1. I made sure to prioritize 16GB of RAM over 8GB for future-proofing my workflow. Now the condition: the seller marked this as a grade C. But if you look closely, you can see the small scratch on the lid and a faint smudge on the screen. Honestly, they are minor and definitely justifiable for the price drop. The rubber feet are intact and the underside is super clean. Best feature of any Mac, the hinge. You can open it with just one finger. Such a simple, cool design detail. It looks like this Mac was already set up by the seller, probably just for testing. I'm just typing in the provided password and boom, we are in. First impressions, the display is gorgeous, even on the base Air. The charge is at 87%, most importantly the battery health is at 88% and the cycle count is only at 107. For a 5-year-old machine, that is extremely low. That tells me this Mac spent most of its life plugged in or even hardly used. As you can see, it has an M1 chip and 16GB of RAM. Now, I don't really want the seller's profile or settings, so I'm going to quickly reset the machine to factory settings. This is a good opportunity to show you guys what a clean macOS setup process looks like if you've never used a Mac before. It's very simple: language, Wi-Fi, signing in with your Apple ID, setting up Touch ID and Apple Intelligence. Right, setup is complete, let's test the media performance. Jumping onto YouTube to play a 4K test video. The image quality is crisp and the colours pop. The stereo speakers sound great for a laptop this thin, certainly better than any other laptops at this price. The keyboard is excellent and it has that satisfying sound. So to protect my machine, I ordered a cheap protective hard case off Amazon. I really didn't want any further scuffs or scratches. The packaging was a little fiddly, but installation is easy, it just literally snaps on. Here's me trying to take off the protective seals, which took forever. Top cover first, then the bottom. The shell feels smooth and protects the exterior perfectly. This is a must-have accessory for any laptop. If you're online, there are clear and tinted variants, so feel free to choose wherever you like. So the grand total for this fantastic M1 MacBook with low cycles and 16GB of RAM was only £283. That's such an insane value. My final verdict is simple: if you're on a tight budget, this is a no-brainer. You're getting incredible performance for literal pounds. Just know that the newer M2 and M3 chips are way more efficient, so only pull the trigger if you can find one for a really good price. Definitely check it out. Thank you for watching this video and I hope I'll see you in the next one.